Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we are fully demystifying the AWS Certified Security Specialty. Look, if you're wanting to really solidify your expertise in cloud infrastructure and, let's be honest, unlock some of the absolutely highest paying roles in the entire tech industry, you are exactly in the right place. We're going to break down the requirements and give you the exact roadmap you need to master this certification. So, here's a quick look at our agenda for today. We'll start with number 1, the Cloud Security Gold Standard. Then 2, why take the leap? Moving on to 3, inside the exam room. 4 is your step-by-step preparation plan. And finally, number 5, career scope and salaries. All right, let's just jump right into Section 1, the Cloud Security Gold Standard. Now, the most important thing to grasp right off the bat is that this credential, it's not just about theory. It literally proves that you can actively shut down real-world enterprise threats. It officially validates your ability to secure entire AWS environments. We're talking everything from implementing rock-solid data encryption to managing identity to actually detecting active cyber threats. You're not just, sitting back reading logs. You are the one actively defending the castle. But before we get totally caught up in the hype, we really need to ask, who is this actually built for? Like, is this certification meant for beginners? Can you just cram for a week and pass? Well, reality check time. The short answer is no, not directly. You absolutely need a solid foundation of AWS basics, plus at least 1 to 2 solid years of hands-on experience before you even think about tackling this beast. It's purposefully designed for professionals who've actually spent time in the trenches. Which brings us nicely to Section 2, why take the leap? Because this exam is so tough, you're going to be tested heavily on some highly practical skills. You'll need to know how to handle complex encryption, both at rest and in transit. You'll have to master secure protocols like HTTPS and VPNs, absolutely dominate logging tools, and expertly navigate risk management. Honestly, these are the exact high-demand skills that companies are just desperate for right now. And because cloud adoption is just exploding globally, mastering these exact skills makes you ridiculously employable. We're talking everywhere from major tech hubs to the massive remote freelancing market. Whether you're sitting in the USA, the UK, Canada, the UAE, Pakistan, or you're just hunting for high-paying contracts that open up remote work, validating your ability to handle these advanced threats puts you directly on the path to global opportunity and, high-salary roles. Okay. Section 3, inside the exam room. Let's pull back the curtain. So here's exactly what you're going to face on test day. You've got 170 minutes to conquer roughly 65 questions. That's a mix of multiple choice and multiple response. The whole thing costs $300, and you actually have the flexibility to take it at a physical test center or just have it proctored online right from your living room. Now, 750. That is your magic number. The exam uses a scaled scoring system from 100 up to 1,000, and you need a 750 overall to pass. And honestly, the great news here, you don't have to individually pass every single section, just as long as your overall score hits that 750 mark. But listen, among all the domains tested, identity and access management, or IAM for short, is the undisputed king. It's the absolute fundamental control mechanism for who is authenticated and authorized to use your AWS resources. Trust me on this, if you don't understand IAM inside and out, hitting that 750 score is going to be nearly impossible. Moving right along to Section 4, your step-by-step preparation plan. Think of your preparation as a 3-phase journey. First, you've got to build those fundamentals with the AWS Cloud Practitioner. Then, Phase 2, you step up to an associate level cert while gathering that crucial 1 to 2 years of hands-on experience. Only then do you enter Phase 3 and actually tackle the security specialty. Don't rush it. Now, here's how you actually execute that study plan day to day. Step 1, master the basics, things like EC2, S3, and VPC networking. Step 2, dive really deep into core security services like KMS and CloudTrail. Step 3 is absolutely vital. Get your hands dirty in the AWS free tier labs. You have to practice. Step 4, relentlessly solve scenario-based mock exams. And Step 5, refine your overall scenario strategy. And speaking of strategy, here is the exact mindset shift you have to make. The exam will completely trick you if you rely on rote memorization. You must always focus on the why. The test is going to present you with this complex, failing enterprise architecture and basically ask, okay, Which service fixes this? And why is this specific solution secure? Comprehension beats memorization every single time.
All right, let's get to the fun part. Section 5, Career Scope and Salaries.
Look, once you pass this thing, you immediately qualify for some seriously elite, high-impact titles. We're talking Cloud Security Engineer, Security Architect, DevSecOps Engineer, Cybersecurity Analyst, AWS Security Specialist. Because security is totally non-negotiable for cloud systems today, these roles offer incredible stability and immense industry respect. And the sheer earning potential? It's kind of staggering. Security professionals are literally among the highest paid folks in the entire IT sector. Even at the entry level for these specific roles, global salaries are hovering in the $70,000 to $100,000 range. Mid-level easily jumps up to the $100,000 to $150,000 range, and senior positions, they scale way past $150,000. It is a highly lucrative path that grows incredibly fast as you gain experience. It's no surprise that top companies actively seek out this exact credential as a global standard for cloud security roles. This isn't just some niche AWS ecosystem benefit. Having this on your resume signals to literally any tech giant worldwide that you possess elite, totally verifiable skills when it comes to mitigating complex cyber threats. So, knowing the high stakes, having a clear roadmap, and seeing the massive financial upside, I guess the only question left is, when are you going to start? In a world where a single data breach can literally cost a company millions of dollars, cloud security experts are the ultimate final line of defense. Are you ready to level up your career and be the shield the cloud relies on? Thanks so much for watching this explainer. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.